Electric Can Opener, by Kitchen Mama. Easily open any can, with a simple push of button. Review. Are you looking for the best hands-free solution to open cans effortlessly, at the press of a button? Automatic Can Opener, by Kitchen Mama, is a popular, food-safe and battery-operated, handheld can opener. Here are some of the features that make it stand out. Hands-free operation. Save yourself from the hassle of wrangling with your mechanical can opener. Open cans smoothly and effortlessly at the press of a button. This can opener works great for kids, adults, seniors, or those with stiff joints and recovering from injuries. Effortless use. 2 taps to open any cans with our electric can opener. Push the button to turn it on. Wait for it to do its thing. Latch the automatic can opener onto the can. It cuts cans 360 degrees along the lid. Push the button again to stop. Easy. User-friendly, ergonomic design. The ergonomic design makes the process comfortable for everyone. Best for people with challenges gripping. Ideal for elderly suffering from arthritis, carpal tunnel or stiff joints. It's simple to use and easily opens cans of all sizes in seconds. Safe design. Sharp edges are now a thing of the past. The blade cuts along the side of the lid without touching the food inside. This automatic can opener punctures holes around the can instead of cutting. Doesn't leave sharp cuts. Super safe. Enjoy the best cooking experience. Your hands deserve to be treated like royalty. The blade is set angled to cut regular cans below the rim. No effort, no injury. Save your energy and save time. The compact size makes it easy to store. Based on over 4,550 customer reviews and an overall 4.4-star rating on Amazon. Automatic Can Opener, by Kitchen Mama, is the best hands-free can opening solution and the last electric can opener you'll need. Here is what some of the users have to say about it. 5 stars. Portable, battery-operated can opener. I just recently bought this can opener, and I really loved it. It's convenient, hassle-free, and not complicated to use. You just simply push the button and let it do its magic. I am really satisfied, and would recommend this to my friends and family. Says Erica. 5 stars. Impressed. I bought this for my mother, who has some problems with arthritis, and when we gathered around to see if it worked, we were all pretty impressed. It left the edge of the can crimped in a way that avoids those sharp edges, which I personally have been sliced by several times. At first, it didn't seem like it was working, but then we lifted it, and boom. Open can. I might get one for myself, honestly. Says Rachel C. 5 stars. So far, so great. I have to open prescription dog food every day, and I am so glad I broke down and bought this opener. Keep in mind, I've only used this a short time, but so far it works great. Very clean cut, no sharp jagged edges. Says S. Mahoney. 5 stars. Wish I had more cans to open. I love this product. As soon as I put this on the first can and pushed the button, I was amazed at how well it worked. It went a little slower than I expected, but when it was done, the lid popped right off, connected to the bottom of the opener, and there was a beautifully opened can, with smooth edges sitting on the counter. I was so pleased. I could see this being a godsend for those with arthritis or carpal tunnel. I will be ordering this as a gift for my mom. It is a little bit noisier than my old can opener, but it is worth it. Says Christy H. 3 stars. Neat idea for a can opener. Initially, I was thrilled with this can opener. I liked how it just ran around the outside rim of the can. It was a nice clean cut. I usually fix dinner at home once or twice a week, so my need to open cans is not high. For the small amount of cans I open, I've already had to replace the batteries in less than a month's time. However, if you open lots of cans, you'll be replacing the batteries every time you turn around. That, in itself, can be costly. Just ordered an electric can opener to replace this battery-operated one. Says Janie. 1 star. No longer works after a few months. Buy a warranty. In the beginning, I loved this can opener. It took 2 rotations on some cans. It was cutting a little ragged. I spoke to Amazon support. They had me reset the can opener. Then it got fussy on all cans. 2 rotations. 3. Nope. It just sharpens the edges now, but doesn't actually open a can. Amazon told me to request support from the Kitchen Mama storefront, but there's no option. So here I am. With a $25 paperweight, and no support. Either buy a warranty, or buy something else. Without the ability to get help, it's useless. Says Kem. Buy it on Amazon today. Click the link in the description.